Alright, good morning everyone. We're at Washougal. Yeah, track's solid. Looks great. We're gonna have some fun today. Hopefully go out there, rip some good starts in the motos, and be nice to run up front. So, yeah.
You actually had a good lap going in the contest, you made a mistake. But you still need to be closer to us and right at the end of the manager's towers when you want to make the move. You're still a little too straight.
Feels like the braking bumps, like the sharp ones, are just really tough. Like it's almost like a lot of movement and like it feels flush, but it's like bottom part. We're just getting too much action. It's not deflecting, no, but it's just like rough. Like it'll tire me out.
Working at the car. Hey Nutty, how come you don't wear the apron thing that Mikey's got on?
He's more committed than me. I think it's a good idea.
Picking tomatoes?
One of us is a helper, one of us is a full-time mechanic. One of us is a backup dancer, and one of us is a real one, whatever you call it.
Hey, SMX, next podium, Champagne Germain. We gotta just get like a photo like
that
this.
Name.
I always like coming here to Washougal. It's got good scenery with all the trees and the mountains and stuff. And when you're driving in, you kind of follow a river in here. So it's a pretty nice drive coming in. A little bit different track conditions for us. You know, we're not used to like a fresh track that's still deep and wet. So the times came out of the second one for us. Justin ended up P3. A couple of guys threw in a couple fast ones there at the end and kind of bumped it down. He was P1 pretty much the whole time until the last lap. But the track should come around for motos and be pretty good for us. Should have third gate pick, so hopefully we can get a couple good starts and probably try to repeat like last weekend. You know, lead a couple laps, just try and hang it out there and see what we can do, and hopefully land on the box again.
Track really started wetter than I've seen. It's really muddy out there in the first practice, and we're going first today, so we were on the track first. Yeah, first one was kind of a wash. It was pretty slippery, P4 there. Second one got some good laps in and did 2 or 3 hot laps, and times were consistent, and I think we ended up third. So looking good going into the motos, and yeah, starts are going to be important today. Bruce is going to definitely be pretty bad out there, I think. So good starts, and hopefully be up there in the front, and yeah, plug away from there.
Day started off good. Justin was ripping in practice, really finding a good flow on the track, and this is a tricky track for you. Got to have some good throttle control and hard pack, and luckily Justin's really good at that. So yeah, I think it's going to be important for starts here. It's kind of a one-line track, so get 2 good starts, and we should be on the podium.
Hey, what if we went a little bit more in that same direction with the bike?
I need to get more feedback than that.
Look how dry it is. It's like rock hard.
Good. We made it. I mean, that's a start. It was obviously very hectic for a lot of people. So just to be here is cool. I enjoy the place. I was 16th practice in second one. Happy considering I didn't get to come to the track yesterday and check it out. Let me sign this for you, buddy. But no, I'm enjoying it. I feel like I'm in a good spot with the bike. I'm getting more and more comfortable. Nice to be at the 4th race for me. starting to feel more normal. So looking forward to a good day today.
Shift the bike. When you were in doubt, shift the bike up.
No, it's all right. We'll figure it out. Qualifying was a little rough, but we're looking forward to the Moto. It's getting a good start, and I think that'll all change. So, yeah, looking forward to it.
Just happy to be here today, honestly. It was a rough travel day yesterday. I got in about 12:30 last night and got a few hours of sleep and headed to the track. So actually feeling pretty good. The hours I did get of sleep, I slept good. So practice went pretty good. 8th both practices, pretty close to the top time. So yeah, just gonna go out, try and get a good start and put in the laps.
Yeah, today's going good. I didn't qualify too well, but just trying to get used to the track. I've been here, like I came to Washougal like 4 years ago, so it's definitely a little different than I remember. Made some pretty big bike changes that I haven't really made all year. Just trying to get as much comfortability as I can. So yeah, I feel better than what the times are. Honestly, my starts are really good. So just looking to go get a good start and see what I can do.
But we're ready to go. Important round with 2 weeks off after this. Who will carry the momentum in? Let's go! Moto 1 from Washougal.
All right, bro. Good job. I'll see you in a little bit.
Here's Moto 2. Justin Cooper on the outside.
It ended rough, but started good. Practice was third. Felt really good in practice, like consistent laps together. And first moto went really good. Second place off the start, got third. So felt good going to the second moto, and I got another good start. I think second or third, and dropped back to like 15th. And then yeah, I was. Ate a lot of roost, came back to like 7th, and yeah, I didn't see anyone in sight, so kind of just rode at home, but yeah, take these 2 weeks off and use them wisely.
Yeah, all in all, it was a good day. A good start to the day, good Moto 1 for Justin, 2 amazing starts. We just got to go to work a little bit on Justin, on his program and his fitness side of things. I think it's a learning year for the rookie, and it's a lot of racing, and it's time to recover, so we need to have a little bit of recovery this next couple weeks, and I think we'll come out really strong in the day.
65th in Moto 1 is out now.
Max Ansey went out and rejoined the race, and the two things that we weren't sure about, why that red cross flag was out and why Max Ansey was in, well, those two are connected. He actually went off the side of that jump there, had to pick his bike up, but there's a few struggles there to get back up and running, so came into the mechanics area to swap out some goggles because he couldn't see, and now has rejoined the moto.
Oh, maybe not. Deegan on the inside. Can he make it happen? Shuts the door. Past the lead.
Be interesting to see what he has to say after the podium.
It's always interesting to hear what he has to say
now,
at the
like
podium.
just to see what the strategy was, and talked about the bike, making some adjustments to the suspension.
Haiden Deegan wins and dominates.
It was good. Solid day. Qualified third. First moto got second, and the second moto was able to win. So that's awesome. Second moto was a really good ride. Got a really big gap, and from there could just have fun. So that's always fun. And yeah, so first overall. Now we have a two-week break, 54-point lead, and 3 rounds to go. So yeah.
Didn't start out good. We got tore up flights and ended up getting in at wee hours in the morning, but we're here and we made it all worth it. I mean, Haiden qualified really well. I think he was third, qualified third, and then yeah, got decent starts. I mean, he was second, I think, behind Vial, both motos. And first moto, he kind of made a charge for him, but just felt like the risk to reward wasn't there. So second moto, we made a small change to the bike, and it made all the difference. And he was able to reel him in, pass him, break him, check out, and win the moto, got the overall. So overall it's great. I think we have a 54-point lead now. So going into the breaks, fantastic. Not much to work on, to be honest with him. Some other things to work on with the other guys. So we'll take the break to our advantage and come out swinging, win this championship. We got 3 more to go.